Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create professional-looking greeting cards for events or any other purpose. Making greeting cards in Canva is very simple, and even if you have no graphic design experience or other creative skills, there's no need to worry. Canva is a fantastic platform for beginners. It's very user-friendly, and you can customize your card within just a few minutes. That's what makes Canva such a powerful resource for beginners. The best part is, you can easily customize already made, pre-designed templates created by professionals and make them your own. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. This is the interface you'll see when you log in. And after that, go to the search bar and type Greeting Cards. Canva will showcase their best-looking greeting cards. Take some time to explore all the options and find the type of greeting card you want, depending on your purpose. Some templates are paid, but don't worry, there are plenty of free templates as well. For example, I like this one, so maybe I'll go with this one. This option is also free, and there are many other choices, perhaps this one. Or you can keep exploring all the templates. Once you find one that you like and that matches your expectations, you can customize it. For example, let's say this is a birthday greeting card that I want to use, and I just want to make a few changes. Just play around with it. For instance, if I want to change the color, just select the color, then make your adjustment. Like this. Just select the text, go to Colors, and if you want to add more cakes, that's easy too. To add more cakes, just go to the Elements section and type Cake, and go to the Graphics. You'll find more options that you can tweak. If you want to change the color of one, check if it's available and adjust as needed. Now, when it comes to replacing images, you just go to Upload and add your own images from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here. For example, to replace an image, just drag your new image over, and boom, it's done. You can also resize or reposition it as needed. Now you've seen how to replace your image. To change the name, just add your own text. And you can play around with it as well. Add or remove whatever you want, and type anything you like. Once you've finished all your design changes, you're ready to go. Now that you are satisfied with your creation, it's time to export. I'm going to show you the export process. So, after customizing and making sure you're happy with the design, you're ready to export. To do that, go to the Share option in the top right corner. Then choose Download. And if you want to print it, select from the available file types. For printing, PDF Standard and PDF Print are both available. If you want to share or post on social media, there are JPEG and PNG file types available. You can also export as MP4 or GIF, or as a presentation. Just download it and your happy birthday greeting card is ready to go. It's that easy and simple. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.